The top stories. Christmas celebrated with pomp and gaiety in hills and valley. AMWJU to rectify letter to IJU invites student unions to even out misunderstandings. And nation's leaders including Prime Minister, President, Vice President and others pay rich tribute to former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Hello and good evening, you're watching Times of Manipur, now the news in detail. Christmas is being celebrated with pomp and gaiety in both hills and valley of the state today. Singing Christmas carols at churches, reading out verses from Bible and Gospels to remember the teachings and sacrifices made by Lord Jesus Christ were the main curriculum of the auspicious day. A grand Christmas celebration was held at Manipur Baptist Church at Chingmairong as well. Tens of hundreds of people gathered at the celebration, cum ritual ceremonies held at the MBC Church today. Simon of MBC Center Church said, a layman would understand the true essence of Christmas when he or she understands what Lord Jesus' ideologies were.
India, in Northeast India, in Manipur, in your family, in your heart, so that you will experience the real meaning of Christmas. The everlasting peace in your heart. When Christ, the Prince of Peace, is born in your heart, you will really experience the real peace in you, in your life. And so that you can also be a channel of peace and an agent for peace for the world. That's the reason why Christ, the light of the world, has been born. It is better to light a candle than to curse the darkness. So let us be the light of the world, the light in the darkness when Christ shines in your life. I wish you also a very, very Merry Christmas to you all. God bless you.
Ngasi yai pharaba numit asida iswar pokpagi haraubagi paujel asi Manipuri dam natana India da leiriba amadi prithvi punumakta leiriba mioi khudingmakta kanbima pu Jisu Christ asi aikhoi gi damak nahak aihak gi damak taibang mioi bai khoi gi damak pokpire maramadun mahak pu thajaba mioi khudingmakna mangda duna lomba naidaba hingba phangani amadi thamoi nungda ingthaba phangani shanti phangani maramaduna lakadoriba 2019 asida ngasi 2018 gi Prabhu Jisu Christ pokpagi 25th December sta iswar bu lausil le haraga 2019 January ahan bachahi si lakpa matamda harau nungai baglona iswar gi thawal toba ngamba ingtha tapthaba ireisa kanglei chai khoi myam oiminarasi haidna mioi punumak ki mafamda nungsi paujel asi thamjari.
Joyous games were also played at local households as part of the Christmas festivity.
Aku mau buat gini, lega anak tak lagi, sampai nanti, mai kue na kiko, kini orang yang tadi, mai kue na kini orang tadi, agak tadi,
Meanwhile, Christ Carol was celebrated at Layman Church at Langol today. The main event of the celebration was marked by singing Christmas carols and presentation of a play depicting the birth of Lord Jesus Christ. Celebrating the festival by Meitei Christians clearly signifies the prevalence of unity in the state. Disciple-making movement church Maibam Laikai Harang Goithong also organized Christmas celebration at the residence of its pastor Manikomba. Devotees sung prayers and hymns in the name of Lord Jesus Christ. Pastor of Disciple-making movement church KH Manikombi said, Lord Jesus Christ came to this world to protect the mankind. He gave a new light to the world. As such, the day when he came to this world is celebrated to sing his enchanting beliefs and ideology.
disciple making movement church haiba asina sinjariba Jisu Krista gi pokibagi thauramga mari lainana sinjariba asidi mayamda thabakwana suba polum puba amadi lambi laijadraba mi singi damakta kanbiba phangdraba mi singi damakta Jisu Krista lakpikhibani mahangna ikhoibu kanbibagi lambi pibigani aikoina ningba kaiba asa yauddraba mayam hinningbagi asa laitraba mayam asigi damakta hingba pibigani mahak achidi lambi aduni haina aikoina.
An apex body of several clubs and organizations, All Manipur's United Clubs Organization, Committee of Civil Societies Kanglei Park and United Committee Manipur greeted the people of Manipur on the auspicious occasion of Christmas.
Aikoi malemda hingminariba mioiba haiba aikoi sigi maraksida amana amabu thajanadaba amana amabu tuhatnaba amana amabu aikoi gi respect taunadaba mawong mayam ama leibai manungda Manipur su adugumdaba aikoi mioi kanglup mayam singida aigi haiba wakhalonsina mangda thamaganda aikoi mayam singchi nongmagi amaga thajanadabagi changji hena hengalakpaduna problem kaya ama ohelai aduna aikoina shanti pame di hairaga aigi wakhalsina adumnaba shanti gi lambelse aina karamna hongdokadage haibi wakhalondudi nongmata khandarude koi ishorna pibi ba pautak aikoi nungsinau haiba wafamdo aikoi masen amaga nungsinabagi wakhalonda lamjing oiraganda aikoi punna chaminasi punna chawkhaminasi punna hingminasi haibse Prabhu Jisu Krista gi mafamda aikoi pumnamukna thauminasi haibsi amukogi maikaidagi nolukna thamjare.
Jesus Christ ki mapuk numit asida akoi malem gi mapam kudimukta sinba tungna akoi celebrate tawriba sumna akoi lamdam sidasu Christian dharmabu pamjaba aduga Christian gi Jesus Christ bu nungjaba mabu thajajaba mipum kudimangna ngasigi numit asina lakpada Committee of Civil Society Kanglei Paki maikei degi hena sakotba hena phaba ing tappa amusung lamdam sida akoi masel tungan lainari bu wakhal mayam sing se loina huntukre ge hairaga akoi achum ima amatigi machani aikoi pumnamak amakaktani haibagi wakhalona do ngasigi numit asida khoigi pokiba adugumba ipaibungo Jisu Krishna akhoi khudumukta wakhaldo adugumba apabokhaldo silhan birasunu haibu wafam mama Committee of Civil Society Kanglei Paki makai degi haijari
Prabhu Jisu Krista gi mapok kumon lak pasida akhoi gi Manipur miyamda akhoi gi phurup amaga gi marakta nungsi chanaba amagi akhoi gi khenaba thamdaba achauba phurupna apikpa phurupu yosandaba koi dharma gi khenaba thamdaba akoi gi chap manaba wakhalol aduda Manipur da tangdu laitaba mihat mipul laitaba adomba lamda mama warasunu haibasi Prabhu Jisu Krista gi pungning ingthaba papki lambi dagi nathairaga chatpa akoi gi shanti leiba aduguma punsirol ama khunai ama porakpa ngamba warasunu haibasi United Committee Manipur gi maikai dagi paujelasi.
On the other hand, Imphal West District Police distributed edible items and clothes to the locals of Phailing and Kotlen with an aim to strengthen the relation between the public and police on the occasion of Christmas. The International Peace and Social Advancement celebrated Christmas, which is the most significant festival of the Christian Brethren. Village Chief Naisiel Wang, Dokhosad Naisiel Village Authority and aged members of the village, President of International Peace and Social Advancement, Joykumar Konthojam, Vice President, Maibam Bisheshor, Vice President, Taurangbam Birjit and other members of the IPSA took part in the celebration. President of IPSA Joy Chandra Konthojam said, peace can be brought about in the state only when the people of various communities live together by giving due respect to one another. As such, everyone should follow the teachings of Lord Jesus Christ in order to sustain peace and tranquility in the state. As part of the celebration held at local church of Naisel Vang, Lamka in Churachandpur district, members of IPSA presented gifts to 10 aged villagers of the Naisel Vang. A special general body meeting jointly organized by the All Manipur Working Journalists Union, AMWJU and Editors Guild, Manipur EGM at Manipur Press Club today. The meeting unanimously resolved to reiterate the solutions adopted by the Standing Committee of the Union on December 21st, which condemned the detention of Kishore Chandra under NSA by the state government. Nevertheless, the meeting also condemned the offensive words used by Kishore Chandra Wankhim in his criticism of the state government and BJP leadership in a video posted on Facebook. The meeting also resolved to rectify its previous letter to Indian Journalists Union and send a second letter, while reiterating that the Mother Association shall not comment on any issue relating to an affiliated unit without first seeking its views. Last but not the least, the meeting resolved to invite Socialist Students Union of Manipur and Manipur University Students Union in a discussion to talk out the misunderstandings. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, President Ramnath Kovind, Vice President Venkaiah Naidu, National President of BJP Rajnath Singh, along with other national leaders, paid floral tributes at the memorial site of former Prime Minister of India, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, near Rashtriya Amrit Sthal in commemoration of his 94th birth anniversary today. A memorial site called Sadaiv Atal was also dedicated in honor of the late leader. The memorial site will be taken cared by Speaker Sumitra Mahajan. Senior journalist and Jiribam correspondent of the Charm Daily, Jacob Panmai, passed away yesterday. Editor of the Charm and the president of Manipur Hills Journalist Union, Ramkun Panmai, condoled the untimely demise of the scribe and shared the grief of the bereaved family. A sawmill including 2 houses were turned to ashes in a fire incident at Malom under the jurisdiction of Nambol police station today. The fire occurred around 3:30 this evening. A team of Manipur Fire Service arrived at the spot and tried to put out the fire. The property is said to be owned by Soibam Manglem and his family. Property worth lakhs of rupees were destroyed in the fire. In all, 3 fire tenders tried to put out the fire by using foam extinguisher as well. The fire could have broken out from a short circuit, said a police report. Lifeless body of a man was found hanging atop Awang Sekmai Hills today. The lifeless body seemed to have been hanging in the woods for many days, as the body was found in a stale state, wherein the body and the head were falling apart. The identity of the lifeless body is yet to be ascertained. Civil society organizations, clubs and local residents of Jiribam today blocked the OPD of 50-bedded hospital at Uchathol, Jiribam for 48 hours. All Jiribam United Clubs Association, Vajpayee and various organizations jointly staged a sit-in protest at the gate of the hospital, demanding proper infrastructure for the hospital. Talking to media persons, President of the Ajuka, Maipaksana Mangang, said, memoranda have been submitted to the authority concerned for proper infrastructure of the hospital several times. However, no positive action has been taken up so far. Besides, a team led by Ajuka has inspected the hospital recently, and an ultimatum was given to the authority concerned to provide proper infrastructure to the hospital by 24th of this month. Moreover, the agitation will continue until and unless the demands are met, he asserted.
PS की media की team amaga loina na aikoi visit ama chachara matungda hairiba hospital sida leifam thokpa doctor masing si leiram daba yam ling leiram ba hairiba demand sing adu aikoi doctor masing leitaba dagi aikoi mock ki facility dagi refrigerator ki leitaba khotaba dagi infrastructure leitaba x-ray leitaba mayam punamak dugi aikoi brief report ama khak aikoi media da phongdo khara matungda ngarang si aikoi kaigum action ama ta lok tabadagi ikang khawdana doctor sing si su masing handarak pa nomo gi government transfer to gi bakhangde chuti pirok ba khangde ama hangde to marak tu dagi aikoi mayam pen dadana masigi asigumba OPD thingjan bi khongang se changhen jabani.
We'll take a short break. Stay tuned.
DS Enterprises Kaisamthong na Sinjaba Winter Festival Kwakatel Tidim Ground da Anobu Chahigi Harau Nungai Marakta Pangthok Lagani Pukning Singsinangai Oiraba International Stall Sing Indigenous Food Item Handloom and Handicraft Angang Singna Kalak Charaba Tongan ba Item Sing VIP Store Asna Singba Kaya Asna Festival Asigi Top pa Saktam Oiri Lengsing View, Saruk Yabiu, DS Enterprises, Kaisamthongi Winter Festival, Kwakatal Tedim Ground, December 23
Welcome back. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu on Monday met a delegation of All India Muslim Law Board members and assured them all support in their fight against the proposed Muslim Women Bill Triple Talaq 2018 in the Parliament. The Muslim delegation complained that the government led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi is trying to get political mileage by changing the Muslim marriage system which has been in practice for the past 1400 years. The delegation members claimed that a majority of political parties are opposing the proposed Muslim Women Bill 2018. They said that the proposed bill, which paves the way for punishing Muslim husbands in case of triple talaq, is a violation of human rights and is also against the principles of the Constitution. The delegation comprised of Maulana Khalid Saifullah, Zafar Zilani, Umrain Mahfouz, Women's Wing Chief Organizer Dr. Asma Zahira, Maulana Abdul Basit, Maulana Asif Nadvi, Muft MD Farooq Khasmi and Saida Ayesha. They urged Naidu to protect the interests of Indian Muslims by opposing the proposed Muslim Women Bill 2018 coming before Parliament on December 27th. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will today inaugurate the Bogibel Bridge, India's longest rail-cum-road bridge connecting Assam's Dibrugarh on the south bank to Dehamji in the north. The bridge over the Brahmaputra will boost defense logistics along the China border and reduce time travel for rail passengers and road users. From providing medical facilities to education and access to the airport, the bridge is expected to be a boon for people of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Connecting north part of Assam to Dibrugarh city of the South Assam, the road will provide connectivity from North Assam to Dibrugarh for the first time. The rail bridge located below the road will reduce the travel time for goods trains by 3 hours. The first passenger train on the route will be flagged off by Prime Minister Modi today. The Bogibel Bridge was a part of Assam Accord 1985 and was sanctioned in 1997-98. The foundation stone of the project was laid by then Prime Minister H.D. Deve Gowda on January 22, 1997, but work on the project was only flagged off by then Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee on April 21, 2002. Survivors of the tsunami that killed at least 373 people in Indonesia over the weekend are bracing for a possible second series of waves. While officials revealed on Monday that the tsunami warning system has been broken, Indonesian authorities told residents of coastlines near the Anak Krakatau volcano, which triggered Saturday night's tsunami, to steer clear of the shore because the volcano is still erupting. We are cautioning the people to remain cautious, said Sutopo Purwo Nugroho, a spokesman for the country's National Agency for Disaster Management. The Krakatau volcano continues to erupt, which could potentially trigger another tsunami. Eruptions at the volcano, which is located in the Sunda Strait between the Indonesian islands of Java and Sumatra, are believed to have sparked an underwater landslide that sent huge waves crashing into coastal communities on both islands Saturday night. Now let's have a look at some of the top newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express.
Prime Minister to inaugurate Bougainville Bridge, India's longest today. Congress stages SEP Democracy Rally. Candlelight vigil held against custodial killing in Taobao. Nafis demands High Court supervised inquiry.
The People's Chronicle.
Government plans to replenish forests in valley area. Syam Kumar urges Nambasi Kulen to conserve environment tranquil culture. Rupees 120 crore heroin from state seized in Delhi. BJP government doing whatever they like is dictatorship, says Okram Ivobi. AMSU demands government to release Kishore Chandra. Editors Guild Manipur clarifies over detention of journalists.
Imphal Free Press.
Abandoned minor girl rescue. Government inviting agitation by ignoring appeals for not revoking detention of Kishore San under NSA. Musu to boycott local delis in campus.
Manipur Mail.
Cannot tolerate humiliation of Prime Minister Modi, says Chief Minister Biren. Rural market at Nambasi Kulen. Christmas celebrations today.
Now let's have a look at some of the top stories. Christmas celebrated with pomp and gaiety in hill and valley. AMWJU to rectify letter to IJU invites student unions to even out misunderstandings. And nation's leaders including Prime Minister, President, Vice President and others pay rich tribute to former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.